Rolling.
Hi, I'm Bernard Isaac.
I'm Julian Murphy.
And I'm McClean.
And this is our intermediate two-handed sword fight.
To a scene of our own devising.
Welcome, gentlefolk, to the greatest night of bloodshed yet. You have seen many face death in single combat, but tonight, a rare gift. What many see, but few live to tell the tale. The whispering quicksilver of death. Wielded by the greatest swordsmaster Bavaria has ever seen. Don't believe me? Then prepare for a show of my martial prowess against these two rogues taken from the ground. Only one of us shall escape with our lives, and I assure you, fine folk, these knaves are no match for Heinrich von Clausewitz. On guard!
Let me...
See how well they fight.